Hey guys, it's Lottie's Cute Art here, and for this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to draw toast with butter and jam. You will need a HB pencil, an 8B pencil, a light yellow pencil, a light red pencil, a red pencil, a light brown pencil, a brown pencil, a silver pencil, a black pencil. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is draw the bread. I'm going to draw slightly diagonal on its side. So from here, go up, then go along. You can decide how big or small you want your bread piece to be. Then up again, then a slight curve, and round like that. Now the next thing you do is you need to draw the outline of the side of the bread. So just go around like this. Then once you have done that, you need to draw the butter. So draw the butter like this. Then you need to draw the jam like that. Now you can draw the face on the butter. 2 circles, smile, and a circle inside the 2 circles like that. And then you need to draw the eyebrows. And then you need to draw the eyes on the toast. 2 big circles, smaller circle inside, smile, cap it off. Then you need to draw the knife going across here. So just draw coming up, slightly in, like that, slightly coming out at the bottom and round. Then you need to draw like the outline around the edge of the knife. And go up here and you draw a line like that. Once you've drew that all, you can now go around with a darker pencil to make it stand out. Now you can colour it in. Now you need to colour in the jam. Now you need to colour in the butter. Now you need to colour in the knife with a silver. And if you want to make it more darker, you can go on the eyes again with a black. Next thing you can do is get the yellow and the red and put some on the knife. Like that. And there you go, you are done your bread with butter and jam. Comment down below any more things you would like me to draw. I'll see you next week for another video. Bye.